Well, out here in the greenhouse, walked by my cherimoya tree and saw a visitor, which is a very welcome visitor here. This is part of our pest control solutions. You see him? Let's go around here. I don't want to disturb him too much and make him leave. Pretty good sized little tree frog. I think they're pretty cool looking. Just hanging out for the day, waiting for the evening when he can go hunting bugs. Okay, so that video was from earlier today, and I hadn't had a chance to put it on YouTube yet, and I come out to my greenhouse at night and I was going to get a picture of the frog at night, and I found this. So cool. Okay, so probably fixed to jump. Check out that little bitty baby right there. Little bitty baby tree frog. This is the same plant that earlier had a big one resting up here during the daylight hours. So let's see how big that is compared to my hand. Isn't that awesome? But like not even a foot down the plant from where the big one was. That's pretty cool. I don't see any others. Thought maybe since that was a baby there would be some other babies on here. But there you go. How you like that? Pretty cool. Whoop. Getting hot.